In this video, you'll learn how to set up Express.js in your Node.js project. Express.js is a fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js. Let's get started with the installation process. Before installing Express.js, it's essential to verify that Node.js and npm are installed on your system. To check if Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt and run the command node version. This command displays the installed version of Node.js. Similarly, to check if npm is installed, run the command npm version. npm is the Node package manager, which is used to install Express.js and other modules. Now let's create a directory for your Express.js project. Open your terminal and use the command dir myexpressapp to create a new folder with the name myexpressapp. After creating the folder, navigate into it using the command cd myexpressapp. This sets up the project directory where all your project files will reside. Next, initialize the npm project in your directory. Use the command npm initY. This command creates a package.json file in your project directory. This file is essential as it contains important metadata about your project, such as dependencies, scripts, and project name. The Y flag automatically accepts the default configurations, so you don't have to go through an interactive setup. Now it's time to install Express.js. In your terminal, run the command npm install express. This command downloads and installs Express.js and adds it as a dependency in your package.json file. Express.js will be saved under the dependencies of your project. Next step is to create a server file, where you will write all your application code. Use the command touchapp.js. This command creates a app.js file in your project directory. Open app.js in your favorite code editor and paste the following code. First, we require Express by writing const express equals require express. Then, create an Express application instance by calling Express function and assigning it to the app variable. Then we define the port number, which is 3000 in this case. We then define a route handler for GET requests to the route path. In this route handler, we send hello world to the client. Lastly, we start the server by calling the listen method on the app instance. This starts the server on port 3000. Now let's start the server. To start your Express server, go back to your terminal and run the command node.js. This command executes the code in your app.js file and starts the server. Keep the terminal running as closing it will stop the server. To verify that your Express.js server is running correctly, open your web browser and go to the URL http://localhost 3000. This will send a request to your server. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the message Hello World displayed in your browser. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up Express.js. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.